Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Fidelity Brokerage account, updated. Start by choosing account type, then click Open an account on Fidelity's site and follow prompts. Enter personal details exactly as on your ID, link your bank using routing and account numbers, and set up security features like two-step verification. Review fee schedules and funding options before finalizing, then confirm your email for account activation and funding instructions. Funding your new Fidelity account is straightforward and flexible. Link your bank for ACH transfers or initiate a wire for faster settlement when needed. You can also transfer existing brokerage or retirement accounts using an ACAT or rollover process, which preserves tax status for IRAs. Choose automatic recurring transfers if you want consistent investing, and review any minimum deposit requirements for margin or specialty accounts before placing your first trade. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is leak-proof and keeps drinks cold for hours, perfect for staying hydrated during long research or market sessions, and it fits most cup holders. I use it when I analyze trades, and it really helps focus. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your account is funded, personalize settings to match your investing habits and security needs. Turn on two-factor authentication and add trusted devices for easy, safe access. Fill out beneficiary information for IRAs and check margin permissions only if you understand risks. Explore commission-free ETFs and mutual fund choices, then create watch lists and order presets to streamline trades. Finally, schedule time to learn Fidelity's research tools and order types for smarter decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.